Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking the scale and units so your plan measures correctly. Set units and choose a viewport scale that matches your sheet. Next, draw the exterior wall outline with line or rectangle, then use offset to create wall thickness precisely. Make layers for walls, doors, windows, and furniture to keep elements separate. This makes visibility and plotting simple. Once done, freeze unused layers and save incremental file versions so you can revert if a dimension needs correction. Now focus on openings and the interior arrangement. You insert door and window blocks or draw swings manually so you visualize circulation. Align door swings away from furniture and maintain required clearances. Then run interior walls with offset or polyline and trim intersections with trim to clean joins. Use dim linear to add key dimensions for each opening and room. Label rooms with text or M-text. Once done, check clearances and circulation, paths to avoid conflicts, before detailing finishes and fixtures. Finish by annotating and verifying everything for handoff. You add dimensions, room names, a north arrow, and a scale bar so others can read the plan. Include material keynotes if required. Then run audit and purge to clean the file, and detach unused XREF or save blocks via W-block for sharing. Export to DWG or PDF, and always review the print preview to confirm scale and line weights. If dimensions or layers look wrong, recheck units and layer visibility. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.